It's taken years, but finally there's a real solution that goes beyond static DMS schedules and Excel reports. It's a ready-to-use tool that's customizable and flexible, one that'll work anywhere on any device, and a tool that works the way you need it to work. So let's take a look at it. My CIT is built for collaboration, where staff from multiple departments can work together to monitor and manage the entire process. It's a tool that can not only manage the collection of receivables, but also make sure everything that you need is in place. Quickly view the status, any missing items, file updates, and remarks from your tablet or mobile device. New and existing items can be created and edited several ways. One way is to use the form that's provided. With easy-to-use drop-downs, it allows the options to multi-select items. It's also possible to edit each line directly from the grid view. Remarks offer a place to add comments. They can be bold, highlighted, even underlined if you need to get your point across. Missing items can be modified to be as general or as specific as your dealership needs. Status is customizable, also to meet your process. So as you can see, we've tried to make my CIT your CIT. You can manage column configuration to meet your needs. You can add filters to improve visibility. And you can use different views of your CIT to manage your assets most effectively. We've even included a calendar view so you and your F&I manager can stay on top of your follow-ups. Now, views can be created differently based on your user's role, allowing, for example, an F&I manager to have a different view than your admin. Automation is a powerful asset for your CIT, and it really separates it from your current solutions. They can be used to create both alerts and reminders. So let's walk through a few of them. Keep in mind the goal is to keep everyone informed of challenges and changes. So as you see, alerts, as with everything else, are easy to create and easy to modify. So let's talk a minute about how to effectively add items to your CIT tracker. So while items can be added using your form, it's much easier to add them from a DMS report. So depending on your DMS, you can either use a standard report or one created from Report Generator and then export it to Excel. From there, it's really just a matter of copy and paste. And then we just let automation go to work to format everything. Now we simply refresh, and your CI tracker is ready to use. So that about wraps up our tour of my CIT. It's part of the My CIT Tracker series. You can see more information about it on our website's marketplace. So thank you very much, and look forward to talking to you in the future.